In microeconomics, opportunity cost is what you give up while choosing one option over another. To be very precise, opportunity cost is the value of the product of the second alternative when you choose the first alternative. In case if you have several options, it is the value of the second best alternative when you choose the first alternative which suits you the best. Opportunity cost is always about trade-offs. You always leave out the rest, might be the second best and choose the desired first best. Economically, we always value the best one over the second best, and that's where opportunity cost drops in. Objective of the opportunity cost is to make the best use of the scarce resources. For example, you are given 3 conditions and 100 rupees. 3 options which are available to you are buying a lunch, buying a book and buying a movie ticket. And the given condition is that you are hungry. So with that 100 rupees, you will buy a lunch for yourself because the buying a book seems to be the second best option and buying a movie ticket goes out of your niche. So in this case, the second best alternative was the value of the book which you sacrificed to buy a box of lunch for yourself. In this case, opportunity cost is the value of the book which you forego. And if the question arises in your mind that why did not we include the value of the movie ticket in our opportunity cost, then understand it like this. You are already sacrificing the value of the book. So the value of the movie ticket was already lower than the value of the book. So the value of the movie ticket gets included in the value of the book, and so last of all, your opportunity cost is the value of the book which you sacrificed for the lunch. Opportunity costs are always uncertain, unreliable, and God knows what will happen if we leave out the second best alternative and choose what seems to be the best alternative. But let me tell you that if we take into consideration opportunity costs of several factors into consideration while strategy making, then it will always be beneficial and fruitful. For the correct evaluation of the opportunity cost, we always have to take into consideration the costs and the benefits of all the available options in our hands. Opportunity costs always allows individuals, economies, organizations, industries to compare all the available options and always take the best option which is strategically viable for their businesses. Always remember, while making strategic decisions, the costs of the second available best option is always taken into consideration and calculated and observed thoroughly for choosing the best alternative which suits their desired approach. The last and the most important point is that opportunity cost is always not about monetary or associated financial losses. It's always about the time, pleasure, or any other type of benefits that we have lost in order to achieve our desired option. Before signing off, I would like to request you that if you liked my content, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and families. Thank you.